Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn about long and short vowel sounds. By the end of this video, we will know how to tell the difference and pronounce them correctly. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. Do you know how many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels in it. A, E, I, O and U. First we are going to know the short sounds, its rule to identify and how to pronounce the word. We hear short vowel sounds when a vowel is followed by consonant, or if the word is in CVC or CVCC pattern. C for consonant and V for vowel. Let us know this with some examples. Short A sound words. Let's read these words. Cat, bat, hat, bag, pan, jam, that, hand, back, cash. In this we are hearing a sound. K, a, t, cat, b, a, t, bat, a sound words. Sometimes it sounds differently, as in these words. Let's read these words. Last, cast, ask, task, blast, mask, past, grasp. Mask, mask. Blast, blast. Here we can hear a sound. When the vowel is followed by W, it makes another sound. Let's read these words. Draw, crawl, straw, saw, claws, raw, law, flaw, jaw. Here we can hear A makes short O sound, as in orange, O sound, draw, O sound, crawl, O sound. Next, coming to the short E sound. Let's read these words. Pen, ten, red, leg, set, pet, bend, send, rent, kept. Next, a sound. E makes a sound. P, a, n, pen. T, a, n, ten. Here in all these words we can hear a sound. Next, coming to the I sound. Read these words. Pin, tin, sit, lit, lip, zip, grip, trip, wind, flip, slit, least. Here I makes E sound, as in pin. P, E, n, T, E, n. I makes E sound. Next, short O sound. Pot, hot, dog, log, top, god, frog, sock, shop, rock, lock. O sound, p o t, pot, d o g, dog. In all we can hear O sound. This is short sound of O. Sometimes it also sounds like a, as in mother, brother, other, love, cover, another, wonder. O makes a sound in these words. So O has two short sounds, a and o. Next, coming to the short U sound. Let's read these words. Bug, jug, butt, cup, sun, mud, hurt, luck, rust, fuss, jump. Here U makes a sound, b a g, bug, j a g, jug. In all words U makes a sound. This is the short sound of U. Next, move to the long vowel sound. Long vowels say their name as its letter name only. A says A, as in make, cake. E says E, as in eat, seat. I says I, as in ice cream, mice. O says O, as in over, cold. U says U, as in cute, mute. U also says oo, as in rule, jute. So you have two sounds. Let us understand this using rules and examples. We hear long sounds when a word ends with silent E, as in make, take, cake, bake. Here in each word, A makes long sound and the ending sound E is silent. Another word, time, shine, mine, fine. Like this, hope, rope, home, dome, cute, tune, flute, mule. Here we can hear U as U sound. Rule, jute, true, blue. Here we can hear U as U sound. Both sounds are long U sound. Next rule, when two vowels are together, the first vowel have long sound and the second vowel is silent, as in rain, gain, train, brain. See, free, pea. Boat, coat, road, float. In certain case, when vowel is followed by Y, it makes long sound, as in play, clay, day, pay, may. Next rule, a syllable that ends in a vowel is usually a long vowel sound, as in go, be, high, so, he. I hope you can identify now long and short vowel sounds. You also try to find some more examples for each sound. Keep learning, keep watching Super Kids Gurukul for more informative videos. Thank you so much for watching. Like and share the video, subscribe the channel for many more such upcoming videos. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Link is given in the description. Thanks a lot.